This video is about cross-listing, which allows you as a teacher, if you teach multiple sections of a course in a single semester, to do one content creation and then deploy it to all the students. So first up, what you want to do in your dashboard is either color code the semester that you're working with, or what I did here is I changed each name to begin with an S2 since I'm working in S2. Keep in mind you might be working in S1. You don't want to get them mixed up with S1 because that causes a lot of problems, or vice versa if you're working in S1. You can also rearrange these course cards here. So for example, my three courses that I have that are of the same section are right here in a row. And if you mouse over the top link, you can see the period number at the end there. I have a 4, 5, and 6. So what you want to do is you want to have one parent course and the rest are children. So I'm going to make the higher period in the day, my 6th period, the parent, and these two will be the children. Okay. You could do it however you want. So I'm just going to write that down, or I'm going to just type it up. So my period 6 will be the parent. You can write this down on a piece of paper for what your courses are, just to not get confused. And my children will be period 5 and period 4. So figure that out. You can pause the video and then we'll move forward. Here we have the parent that I'm going to use, which is period 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that course, and up in the URL box, the web address box, you're going to click and select the course number right here. You can right mouse click or you can go Control C, that works too. So that's what you'll need in order to cross list. You click the back button to get back to your course cards. Once you have the parent course number, go to one of your child courses. So this is one for me. So I click on this. And then what you'll do is you'll go over to the settings on the lower left-hand side here. You'll go to sections, and then you'll click on this section. This is the child course. If you notice here on the upper right, you have the button for cross list this section. So click on that. And then quite simply, that parent course, you just simply paste inside here, Control V as in Victor, or right mouse click paste works too. And then once you have that done, press the tab key, and it does find the selected course, hopefully for you, and then click cross list this section. Section successfully cross listed. So if you go back to your dashboard now, notice here I have two sections that are combined. So that's something that you want to do. And then, of course, you go to the other child course, which for me was this one is my period 5, and you repeat the process. So if you look here, I have one course, but we have to do something else to this, like rename it to make it more clear to students. So now, if I click on this course, okay, I can go over to settings, and I have to recall what periods I combined. So if I look at my notes here, I combined periods 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to write this as such. And then, of course, make sure you do the same thing for this right here. A simple copy and paste will do. Once you have that copy and pasted, these should be the same. You're going to come down here, don't forget to do this, and click Update Course Details. That'll make it clear on the dashboard to students that they could be in any of these sections, and it's the same course for content. Check to see if your course is successfully cross-listed. You can click on the cross-listed course, and then perhaps you can go to grades, and you should see all the students' names listed in the grade book here. But you might want to work individually with individual classes. So what you could do is you can go to View, You can go to filters by sections, and then this gives you the option of seeing all the sections, or you can select different sections to just look at the grades for each particular section. Hope this video is helpful. Be sure to ask questions as needed.